Hey everyone, welcome back to another session of Docker. In this session, we'll see Docker engine setup on Ubuntu 22.04 version. So in the last session, we saw what is Docker engine and understand what is Docker CLI, what is Docker daemon and Docker REST API and how they work. So in this session, we'll see the setup, how we can install Docker on Ubuntu. So let's begin. So if uh, I will log in into my VirtualBox where Ubuntu is installed, and if you want to see the version, let me hide this. So if you give this command sudo cat /etc/lsp/release, so it will print your release like this one 22.04 and the code name Jamie. Now we'll see the installation part, how we can install. So the first command will give, first I will clear sudo apt update. So this command will update, spelling mistake, update. So this will update your local package from list of a list from online repository. Now the next command will install the required prerequisite package. So for this you can give the command sudo. I will paste all the command in the chat in the comment. So if you give CA certificates, I will also explain the commands what it's doing. Curl and give the release LSP release test y. So if we press enter, so basically this here you can see CA certificate. So it will ensure system trust. Like if you go to the valid website from HTTP download, and here you can see curl. So this will download files from your internet by command line. Next you see GNUG. So this will provide encryption tool like GPG for verifying software authenticity. Now the next command will add the official uh, GPG key. So let me clear this screen and we'll give the command sudo mkdir -m and -p /etc/apt/keyring. Now the next will create a secure folder to store the trusted GPG key. So I will copy this command and paste it. So basically this one curl fsl, it will fetch Docker official GPG key securely, and this gpg dot dash demo convert the key to binary format to required by apt. Now the next task will update the Docker repository. So I will paste this command. Now our next task is to update it again. So we'll give the command sudo apt update. So after adding a new repository, you must update the package index. So and to recognize the Docker package. Now we'll install the Docker components. So I will paste all the commands one by one. You can just copy and paste, and your Docker is up and running. So it will take time depending upon your internet speed. And you can also use any cloud service like AWS, Azure to install this Ubuntu. So I'm installing in my virtual machine. Now we'll verify the Docker installation. So first we'll clear the screen and check the Docker version. Docker dash dash version. So here you can see it's installed, it's up and running. Now you can also give the command sudo system cta status docker. So you can see it's active and running 54 seconds ago. And if you want to see more about Docker, simply give the command docker sudo docker version only. So here you can see version 28.3 apt version is it's in go, but git commit os linux. If we scroll down, so in this way you can install Docker on Ubuntu. So that's all from this video. The next video will see Docker Daemon service.